Hey everybody, as you can see, ain't nobody working out today. It's 95 degrees out here, so it's empty, except for me, Mr. Walk Life. Yeah, first of all, I want to wish everybody luck, because everything else out here, you got to do it yourself, you know. Anyway, I want to start off my 10-minute walk today. This is a low-impact walk. I'm already sweating because I done did a couple laps, but I'm going to do 2 more to make it a mile. It's a 10-minute, half a mile, low-impact walk. So, you done already did your stretches. You should be walking with me right now. First of all, today I want to give a shout out to Ty's Conscious Kitchen. One of my subscribers left me a comment, told me to go check him out. I remember that sun being over that way. Yeah, told me to go check him out, and I did. Had a lot of alkaline, healthy dishes, which I would recommend to you. I tried out the chickpea tuna salad. It was scrumptious. So I gotta give you a thumbs up, Ty. You know, and if you get the message, anybody, you know, tell them Mr. Walk Life, subscribe them to you. Let them know. All right, Ty's Conscious Kitchen. Nice dishes, healthy, and give him a shot. Check him out. All right, like I said, these 10-minute half-mile walks is to find out where you at. You know, as far as your breathing, and how far you can go the distance. If you're in the house, put a sweatsuit on. I come out here in the sun to get my sweat on. You know. But yeah, if you're in the house, you're indoors, put some heavy clothing on and do your walk. You want to heat up. Anyway, might be a little boring today. But like I say, ain't nobody out here right now. And but for y'all that's inside, this for the extra overweighters. You know the heavy D's. A 10-minute walk might have them really winded compared to other people that can withstand it. But if you breathing heavy after that 10-minute walk, at least you know where you stand at. And if you get tired doing the 10-minute walk, sit down, take a break, take a breather. You know, don't overdo yourself. This is a beginner's walk. So, like I say, I usually make these for the 350 plus and the people that's going through therapeutic rehab. You know, just now getting their walking back from things like accidents, car accidents and stuff like that. So I try to make a real basic one. No frills and thrills on this one. Just a regular nice walk. Let me show you. Show you the path. You hear them birds? Yeah, I can hear them. Yeah, we on a walk life video. So, you know, you walk at your own pace. Take your time. Learn how to eat right. I've been going past them snack bars in the snack aisles in the grocery stores. And I'm walking right past them now. I ain't even paying them no attention. I thought about it the other day. Boy, I used to shop in them aisles all the time. You know, I still got that craving for some cheddar chips. Boy, I be fighting it. It's rough. Believe me. You know, anytime I sit on the couch and get depressed, I just look at my belly and soak for a minute. Just knowing I got to do something about it. And I take that depression a little time and use it for motivation. You know, like today, I really didn't want to come out in this hot sun. But I owe it to you, and I definitely owe it to myself. You know, I don't know if you can see my belly, but it's getting a little thinner. My neck is about 5 years younger since I've been walking. All you gotta do is check out one of my older videos and you'll see I always do the neck exercise. And make sure you do that. You don't do nothing else. All right, let me do a neck exercise for you, just so you know what it's like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you go up. Always rub on that neck. You know, rub them fat lines out. That chin, tuck the chin in. And I mean, I do these neck exercises all the time during the day. Sitting down on the couch, standing up somewhere, just standing, I do some neck exercise. You know, I always keep them in mind. And yeah, for all y'all overweighters, take your time. I've been walking like 4 weeks now. I done dropped 20 pounds. You can do it too. You know, like I say, take them snacks away. You know, see me out here in the 90-degree weather. Ride with me. You in house. You know what I'm saying? Get your little cup of coffee in you in the morning. You know, burn off some of them calories. You can catch my walking shows on at Saturday and Sundays early in the morning. I'll upload them around 9 o'clock. So you can catch them from there. And I got more videos to come out. I got a 5-in-1, 10-minute walk. That's a high impact walk. Because there's 5 different exercises along the way. And that's also a half-mile walk. And I'm gonna do a lot of 10-minute drills because that firm you up. You might not lose a whole lot of weight, but it'll get you in walking shape. It'll start firming your body up, you know, and you'll start feeling better. Start off with the 5-minute walks. If you're extremely obese and you ain't been walking at all, you know, get them up to 2 and 3 a day and move up from there. Anybody that's walking with me, you know, look at my page and get in where you fit in. I got 5, 10, 15, 20, half-an-hour walks. So get in where you fit in at. Some people are already at the 20-minute walk, and some people just at the 5. But I ain't gonna forget about y'all at the 5, man. I'm down with you, because I was there myself, you know. Yeah, I try to make it interesting and peaceful. So, you know, you take your walk, 10 minutes, go on like that during your day. Get your 10 minutes in. It's like me, I get it in at work. You know, I might just stand up in front of the computer and do me a 10-minute step. You know what I'm saying? Loosen up, because you be sitting down all day. You sit down jobbers, truck drivers, you know, people that got to sit down for a long time. You know, if you're driving that truck, get out and do some exercise. Do your walking place, do your stretches. You know, get back in the truck or Go back to your computer. You know what I'm saying? But get that 10 minutes in. Like I say, just like that, it's gone. Now, I don't know how good this camera's showing. I done had to hold my arm up for 10 minutes, but it's okay. It's worth it. Hey, y'all. I appreciate y'all riding with me. Just want y'all to know that. Today I use y'all as the motivation to come out here and walk and to make this video. So, salute to you. I'm almost at the end of it now. So,